and today we are going to make an origami butterfly. For that you need a square piece of paper. For the people who have not seen how to make a square, I have put the video link in the description box. Now let's start making the butterfly. First you need to make the water bomb base. So first you fold a triangle like this and crease it well. Then open it. After that, fold another triangle like this. Make sure all the edges are meeting properly. After this, we need to take this corner and put it over here. Now fold this back. Then do the same for this corner. Now open it, this also. Do this for the other triangle as well. Now I have already finished doing it for two. Now let's make the water bomb base. So take it like this. And now fold this. Now here is your water bomb base. Now let's again take this point and put it over here. Do it for the other side in the same way. Next, turn it. Now, take this and pull this completely up. Now we need to be really careful. You need to press this over here. And you need to make a line which will make it steady. Now you get the butterfly like this. Now we need to fold this down. And then we need to fold this back up. Remember, there should be some space over here because then only you can see the head of the butterfly. And turn it and fold this also again back. And then you need to do it like this. And here you have your butterfly. You can also decorate it with some sketch pens. And you can also make it flap its wings. See, it doesn't look that much attractive. It looks dull. But now if you turn and color it, wow! Look how attractive it is. See, you can also decorate the butterflies with some different patterns, with colors, with also shapes. Thank you.